the reason why more buyers going into your buyer's pool, not just one or two, but thousands of buyers, meaning there's gonna be more demand, there's gonna be more offers. When there's so many demand, buyers and offers, guess what's gonna happen to your final sales of your price? It's gonna go up. We actually have over 45,000 cash buyers in our database, and I'm gonna explain to you how these buyers benefit you, Mr. Sellers, and how are we able to get these buyers. As we're gonna eliminate your competitions, we're gonna make sure all the buyers looking to buy in your area, in Rosemead and nearby cities, goes to your home only. We're gonna turn it back to your market. Mr. Seller, our mission here is to sell your home at the price you want and need in your time frame. And according to our client survey, that almost 86% of our clients go back to our team. And I'm going to show you a little bit about our clients' testimonial videos. How are we different is we have a team approach. When you hire Rudy and I, you're hiring the entire team. The entire team works for you 24/7, and each team member has a specific role to get your home sold. We have the most reviews out of any agents. Right now we have over 800 reviews, and these reviews are verified. And we're on radio stations, we're on Spanish, we're on Mandarin, we're on Cantonese, and we are part of Titanium Real Estate Network, meaning our buyers are everywhere. The buyers that I mentioned to you here, Mr. Seller, are everywhere because we don't want to miss out on a buyer that really likes your home. So when the buyer comes to your home right now, Mr. Seller, they have a house to sell, they want to buy your house, they don't have the money. What we're going to do is we're going to put an all-cash offer on the buyer's home, so that way the buyers can put an all-cash offer on your home. Our program is for your benefit, Mr. Seller, so that your house will stand out more. Let's say there's 100 homes right now on sale in El Monte with just regular signs, but your home stands out because of the sign that says buy this home and buy yours. What does that do? What does that gonna do with your home? Your home's gonna stand out more. That means gonna be more buyers going to your buyer's pool. So what does this Arbit home selling system do? It creates urgency and excitement for the buyers to come to your home, not to your competitions. So that way, there's gonna be more demand, more multiple offers, more buyers. That way, your final sales price is gonna go up.